Salam and nachu guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are exploring common Amharic words that begin with lu, li, and la, the three letters. While words starting specifically with lu and li are fewer in number and often appear in the middle or end of words instead of appearing on the beginning of the words. So I have also included some useful words that start with the letter la, the fourth letter. So in total you will learn 14 essential words built on these three letters. So get ready to expand your Amharic vocabulary list. The first word is luh. Luh. Luh means a writing tablet or a board. መምህሩ በሉህ ላይ ጻፈ. መምህሩ በሉህ ላይ ጻፈ. መምህሩ በሉህ ላይ ጻፈ. The teacher wrote on the board. ሉዓላዊ 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 sovereign or supreme. ኢትዮጵያ ቅኝ ያልተገዛች ሉዓላዊ ሀገር ናት. ኢትዮጵያ ቅኝ ያልተገዛች ሉዓላዊ ሀገር ናት. Ethiopia is a sovereign country that was never colonized. ሶስተኛ ሊቀመንበር 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 የወረዳው ሊቀመንበር መግለጫ ሰጡ. የወረዳው ሊቀመንበር መግለጫ ሰጡ. የወረዳው ሊቀመንበር መግለጫ ሰጡ. The district chairman made a statement. አራተኛ ሊዘንብ ይችላል. ሊዘንብ ይችላል. ሊዘንብ ይችላል. It may rain. ነገ ዝናብ ሊዘንብ ይችላል. ነገ ዝናብ ሊዘንብ ይችላል. ነገ ዝናብ ሊዘንብ ይችላል. It might rain tomorrow. ሊጥ ሊጥ ዶህ እናቴ ቂጣ ለመጋገር ሊጥ አቦካች. እናቴ ቂጣ ለመጋገር ሊጥ አቦካች. እናቴ ቂጣ ለመጋገር ሊጥ አቦካች. My mother needed dough to bake flatbread. ሊቅ 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 is a scholar or expert. እርሱ ታላቅ ሊቅ ነበር. እርሱ ታላቅ ሊቅ ነበር. እርሱ ታላቅ ሊቅ ነበር. He was a great scholar. ሰባት ሊመጣ ይችላል. ሊመጣ ይችላል. እንግዳ ዛሬ ማታ ሊመጣ ይችላል. እንግዳ ዛሬ ማታ ሊመጣ ይችላል. እንግዳ ዛሬ ማታ ሊመጣ ይችላል. A guest might come tonight. ስምንተኛ ሊሳካ ሊሳካ ይችላል. ሊሳካ ይችላል. It might succeed or it might be achieved. ፕሮጀክቱ ሊሳካ ይችላል ብዬ አስባለሁ. ፕሮጀክቱ ሊሳካ ይችላል ብዬ አስባለሁ. ፕሮጀክቱ ሊሳካ ይችላል ብዬ አስባለሁ። ዘጠነኛ ላም ላም cow. ላም is a cow. ላም ወተት ትሰጣለች. ላም ወተት ትሰጣለች. ላም ወተት ትሰጣለች. A cow gives milk. ላባ አስረኛ ላባ ላባ feather. ወፎች የሚያምር ላባ አላቸው. ወፎች የሚያምር ላባ አላቸው. ወፎች የሚያምር ላባ አላቸው. The birds have beautiful feathers. አስራ አንደኛ ላከ ላከ he sent. እሱ መልእክት ላከ. እሱ መልእክት ላከ. እሱ መልእክት ላከ. He sent a message. ላብ ላብ sweat. ለ30 ደቂቃ ከሮጥኩ በኋላ ላብ በላብ ሆንኩኝ. ለ30 ደቂቃ ከሮጥኩ በኋላ ላብ በላብ ሆንኩ or ሆንኩኝ. ለ30 ደቂቃ ከሮጥኩ በኋላ ላብ በላብ ላብ በላብ ሆንኩ or ሆንኩኝ. After I ran for 30 minutes, I was drenched in sweat. 13ኛ ላጠች ላጠች she peeled something like fruit. እሷ ሽንኩርት ላጠች. እሷ ሽንኩርት ላጠች. እሷ ሽንኩርት ላጠች. She peeled an onion. The last one 14ኛው ላጨ he shaved. ላጨ እሱ ጸጉሩን ላጨ. እሱ ጸጉሩን ላጨ. ጸጉር this is ጸጉር. እሱ ጸጉሩን ላጨ means he shaved his hair. ማሻአላህ that is it for today guys. This is a really great job. I appreciate your consistency to learn Amharic. I hope you enjoyed it learning these new Amharic words with Lu, Li, and La. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more Amharic lessons like this one. You can also visit my website to learn more Amharic words, phrases, and sentences, also grammar rules. So see you in the next video.